going on, guys? Iron Czar here. I got a couple questions for you. I got a question for the guys. I got a question for the ladies. The question I got for the guys is this. Always at the gym we're having these debates about height. A lot of guys think that it's easier for you to get swole if you're a little shorter versus if you're a little taller. I got my opinion on this, but I would like to hear what you guys think. So if you would, leave me a little comment at the bottom. Let me know if you think it's easier for guys that are shorter to get jacked, or if you think it's easier for guys that are taller to get jacked, or if you think it doesn't matter. It's about your work ethic. And also, ladies, I got a question for you. A lot of times also guys are all about trying to get muscle bound. My question is, which guy do you seem to be more attracted to? The guys that are more muscle bound and jacked, big arms, big chests and all that, or guys that are just all the way around fit, slim and fit. So let me know what you think about it. Would you rather have a muscle bound guy that's big arms? I got about 20-inch arms myself, decent size, decent size shoulders. Or would you rather have a guy that's slim and fit all the way around? So leave me a comment down, let me know what you think. Thanks. Iron Czar out. Peace.
Go ahead.
Got it?
Here we go. Now, let me get you. Okay. I'm zooming. Oh, keeps